Imagine this, gigising ka sa sarili mong 5-bedroom single detached home, yung kids may kanya-kanyang kwarto, may space ka pa for work from home office, at weekends, chill kayo sa maluwag na sala. Hindi lang ito pangarap, this is the Vivian Single Detached dito sa Bacoor, Cavite. Let's be real, kailangan natin ng space for the family, diba? At ito, kumpleto ka na. 140 square meter floor area, maluwag at breathable. 5 bedrooms, hindi na siksikan. 3 bathrooms, goodbye pila sa umaga. 1 to 2 car garage. Secure parking for your cars. At syempre, nasa Bacoor ka, one of Cavite's most prime locations. Malapit ka na sa Metro Manila, schools, hospitals at malls. Convenient plus tahimik na family living. Parehong meron dito. Ito ang good news. Pre-selling ito, so hindi mo kailangan ng milyon agad-agad para makuha. Computation, reservation fee, 40,000 lang to secure the unit. Down payment, 75,318 pesos per month for 15 months. Loanable amount, 10.4 million, mga 90,861 per month for up to 20 years. Ang advantage ng pre-selling, lock-in price ka na ngayon habang tumataas pa ang value ng property sa area. Kaya mabilis na uubos to, lalo na yung mga malalaki at single detached kasi bihira lang yan. So kung hinihintay mo yung sign para mag-invest sa dream home mo, eto na yun. We're offering free house tour assistance and tutulungan ka namin step by step. I'm Jean Carmi Puig, PRC accredited real estate salesperson. 40,000 lang, masisecure mo na itong 5-bedroom dream home. Huwag mong palampasin, last chance mo na to own a spacious single detached in Bacoor.